What is up, YouTube? This is FNH News, Reviews, and Toys with a brand new video to talk about how you can force restart your iPhone. I don't know what that flashing thing is. It's coming from the phone. So anyways, so just to show you, so I actually ran in a specific scenario or dilemma like last week where my phone actually did not, it would not, oh, it's actually the iPhone. That's so weird. I wonder what it is. You can't see it here. You see it in the camera. Anyways, I could not actually restart my phone. I was like, wait, what is going on? And it just froze. It just completely froze out of nowhere. So I couldn't check online what to do. I was like, you know what, let me make a video. Let me find out first. I found out. I was like, you know what, let me make a video, because there was actually not a lot of videos online or anything or tutorials on how to do it. So it's fairly simple. If you have an iPhone X or more, like basically above, and you don't have a home button essentially, like, because the iPhones, they don't come with it anymore, the new ones, all you have to do is, as it's stuck, you press the volume button up once, you press the volume button down once, and then you hold the power screen or the side button to essentially. And once you do that, it's automatically going to just turn off. I don't know if I did it fast enough, but you're supposed to do it fast. Oh, okay, I did do it correctly. So that's basically it. It's turned off. It'll automatically restart. So yeah, see, as you see, it's restarting now. So again, this was a fairly interesting thing I did not know about, and I found out much later. I was like, because I thought it was just holding the power button and the volume down or volume up key together would work. It did not. So they changed it. Apple always keeps changing it. I know it used to be the power button and the home button, but when they got rid of that on the iPhone, I believe 7, when the haptic button came, they said, oh, you just hold the power button and the volume down button. When they got rid of the home button completely, I'm like, yeah, it should be the same. You know, nothing really changed. You couldn't use the haptic button before, so it should be the same. But obviously that was not true. That was obviously not true. So yeah, as you can see, the phone's restarted. It's going to tell me to put my password in, and let me just put it. I'm not Kanye, so I'm going to put it in. And yeah, as you can see, my phone works now. It's restarted, so that's one of the things you can obviously do to have your phone restarted. And yeah, I hope this video is informative. I wanted to make like a quick straight up guide on how to do it, so you guys have like a good idea on what it works, how it is. And yeah, I hope you liked the video. Overall, if it was useful and informative, definitely give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. And if you have any comments, questions, concerns, let me know in the comment section below. Other than that, FNH out. Peace.